Welcome dear students, we are on the CEC Gurukul lecture. We are in the series of electronic circuits and we are discussing the various electronic components which are used in developing the electronic circuit. So today we discuss one of the important component which give life to the circuit, that is the battery. Battery is a very important component in the electronic gadget. So there is a lots of research and advancement going on a battery technology. As a result, a breakthrough technologies are being experienced and used around the world currently. Batteries came into play due to the need to store generated electrical energy, and that electrical energy can be used further. As much as a good amount of the energy was being generated, it was important to store the energy so it can be used when generation is down or when there is a need to power standalone devices which cannot be kept thereafter to the supply from the mains. Here it should be noted that only the DC can be stored in the batteries, AC current cannot be stored. So DC current can be stored in the batteries. So what is the battery? Battery is a collection of one or more cells that go under chemical reaction to create the flow of electrons within a circuit. Battery just provide the power to the circuit, just to connect other devices with the circuit. So battery is a collection of one or more cells that go under chemical reaction to create the flow of electron within a circuit. The battery cell are usually made up of the three main components. One is the anode, that is the negative electrode. Second is the cathode, that is the positive electrode. And third is the electrolyte. So these three main components are used in the construction of the battery. So anode is a negative electrode that produces electrons to the external circuit to which the battery is connected. So when the batteries are connected, an electron buildup is initiated at the anode side, which causes a potential difference between the two electrodes. The potential difference are generated in the anode because of the electron buildup. So electron naturally then try to redistribute themselves, and this is prevented by the electrolyte. So when the electrical circuit is connected, it provides a clear path for the electrons to move from anode to the cathode. The work of the electrolyte is just to provide a clear path for the movement of the electrons from anode to the cathode, thereby powering the circuit to which it is connected and through which it gives the power to the circuit through which it is connected. So by changing the arrangement and the material used to build the anode, cathode and electrolyte, we can achieve many different type of batteries. Chemistry is enabling us to design the different type of battery cells. So by changing the arrangement of the material which we are using in the preparation of the anode and the cathode, we develop the various type of batteries. So on the basis of the batteries are defined, batteries are classified. So batteries are types of batteries. Batteries generally can be classified into different categories and the type, ranging from the chemical composition, its size, from factor and its use cases. But under all these, there are two major type of batteries. First is the primary battery and second is the secondary batteries. These are defined on the types of use. We define the two type of batteries. First is the primary batteries, second is the secondary batteries. What are the primary batteries? Primary batteries are batteries that cannot be recharged once depleted. Well, it is a use and throw type of battery. Once it is used, then it cannot be recharged. So primary batteries are made of electrochemical cell whose electrochemical reaction cannot be reversed. So these are the primary batteries. Moreover, the primary batteries exist in different forms, like coin cell to the AA batteries. AA battery you generally see we use in the wall clock and in other type of gadgets. So they are commonly used to standalone application where the charging is impractical or impossible in this type of batteries. Up until the 1970s, zinc anode based batteries were the predominant primary batteries type. During the 1940, the World War II, after the war, zinc carbon based batteries are used. At that time, the zinc based batteries, and they have the average capacity of the 50 Wh divided by kT. So most significant development in the battery technology took place during the 1970 to 1990 period, and during that time the zinc alkaline manganese dioxide batteries were developed, and these batteries slowly replaced the older zinc carbon type of primary batteries. So after 90s, zinc alkaline magnesium dioxide batteries were used. So a good example of which we can use in the military grade devices and the battery powered equipments, and it was impractical to use the rechargeable batteries, as the recharging battery will be the last thing in the mind of the soldiers. So primary batteries always have high specific energy, and the system in which they are used are always designed to consume the low amount of power to enable the battery last as long as possible. These type of battery are used to store the energy, and these energy are consumed in the low amount of the power to enable the battery last as long as possible. So primary batteries are not rechargeable. Some of other example of the devices using the primary batteries, which includes are the pacemakers, animal tracers, wrist watches, remote controls, and the children toys, to mention a few. These are the, on the screen you are seeing, these are the primary batteries. These are very commonly used in the electronic gadgets, like in remotes and wall clocks and etc. And the most popular type of the primary battery is the alkaline battery. Alkaline batteries are the primary batteries, and they are having a high specific energy and are environmentally friendly. They are cost effective and do not leak when they are fully discharged, and they can be used. They can be stored for the several years and have a good safety record, and can be carried on an aircraft without being subject to even transport and other regulations. The only drawback of the alkaline battery is the low load current, which limits its use to devices with low current requirement, like remote controls, flashlights, and the portable entertainment devices. So it means they are used only for the small devices. Alkaline, because they are having the low load current, and that's why they are limited to. Here we are defining the sum of the batteries with the characteristics and with their applications. First we discuss the zinc carbon, and these characteristics are common, low cost, variety of the sizes we can get this type of batteries, and radios, toys, and instruments use this zinc carbon batteries. And other type is magnesium MgMnO2, and these are having the high capacity, long shelf life, and they are used in the military and the aircraft radios. Other application in the medical, hearing aids, pacemakers, and photography are the mercury ZnHgO batteries, and they are having high capacity and long shelf life. Other type of batteries are alkaline, like zinc alkaline MnO2, and they are very popular, moderate cost and high performance. Most popular primary batteries, they are have many applications in the many devices, like toys, like remotes, like wall clock, and etc. Silver zinc, that is another type of the battery, and having the highest capacity, costly, flat discharge, hearing aids, photography, and pagers they are used. Lithium soluble cathode, they are having a high energy density, good performance, wide temperature range, wide range of applications with capacity between 1 to 10,000. Other batteries are lithium, that is solid cathode, and characteristics of these batteries are high energy density, low temperature performance, long shelf life, replacement for button and the cylindrical cells. Another is the lithium solid electrolyte, that is low power, extremely long shelf life, memory, circuit, medical and electronics. So these were the primary batteries. Now that primary batteries which are not rechargeable. Now we discuss the secondary batteries. Secondary batteries are rechargeable batteries. Secondary batteries are with with electrochemical cells whose chemical reaction can be reversed. In that case it was not reversed, but here the chemical reactions can be reversed by applying a certain voltage to the battery in the reverse direction. That's why they are referred to as a rechargeable batteries. Secondary cells like primary cells can be recharged after the energy on the battery has been used up. So they are typically used in the high drain applications and other scenarios where it will be either too expensive or impracticable to use a single charge battery. Where we use a single charge battery, then we use the primary batteries, but when we use the rechargeable batteries, then we go for the secondary batteries. Now the small capacity secondary batteries are used to power portable electronic devices like mobile phones and other gadgets and appliances, while heavy duty batteries are used in powering diverse electric vehicles and other high drain applications like load leveling in the electricity generation. So the best use of these rechargeable batteries, our example is the mobile phones. In the mobile phones we use the rechargeable batteries. So they are also used as a standalone power sources along with the inverters to supply electricity. Inverters also use the rechargeable batteries so that we can recharge and we use it again and again. Although the initial cost of acquiring the rechargeable battery is always a whole lot higher than that of the primary batteries, but they are the most cost effective over the long term use. So secondary batteries can be further classified into the several other types based upon its chemistry, and this is very important because the chemistry determines some of the attributes of the batteries, including the specific energy, cycle life, shelf life and the price, to mention a few. So we are having the following different types of rechargeable battery, that is the secondary batteries, and they are commonly used. One is the lithium ion, that is LiION. Second is the nickel cadmium, that is NiCd, and next is the nickel metal hydride batteries, that is NiMH, and next is the lead acid batteries. So these are the most common secondary batteries and they are the rechargeable batteries: lithium ion battery, nickel cadmium, nickel metal hydride and lead acid. We will discuss one by one what is the nickel cadmium battery. As the name suggests, that the nickel cadmium batteries which use the nickel cadmium, and this type of rechargeable battery which is developed by using the nickel oxide, hydroxide and the metallic cadmium as electrode. Here we use the cadmium as electrode. So nickel cadmium batteries excel at maintaining the voltage and holding charge when not in use. So it will preserve the charge. The nickel cadmium batteries excel at maintaining the voltage and holding the charge when they are not use. However, nickel cadmium batteries easily fall a victim of the dreaded memory effect when when a partially charged battery is recharged, lowering the future capacity of the battery. You see on the screen on the right hand side, these are the nickel cadmium batteries, and in comparison to other type of the rechargeable batteries, nickel cadmium batteries offer the good life cycle and performance at a low temperature with a fair capacity, but their most significant advantages will be their ability to deliver the full rated capacity at high discharge rate. So they are available in the different sizes as per the requirement, which including the sizes of the alkaline battery, which from the AAA to D. These are the sizes of the various batteries. They can work at the normal temperature also. So nickel cadmium cells are used individual or assembled in the pack of 2 or more cells. The small packs are used in the portable devices, electronics and toys, while the bigger one find the application in the aircraft, starting batteries, electrical vehicles and standby power supply. So nickel cadmium cell can be used in a one pack individual or can be used in a packet. It depends upon its application. Some of the properties of the nickel cadmium batteries are as it is having a specific energy like 40 to 60, energy density 50 to 150, specific power is 150 watt per kg, and this is a charge discharge efficiency, which is the rate of the 70 to 90%, self discharge rate 10% per month, and cycle durability, it is defined as the 2000 cycles. The other type of batteries is the nickel metal hydride batteries. What is this type of batteries? This is another type of the chemical configuration used for rechargeable batteries. The chemical reaction at the positive electrode of the battery is similar to that of the nickel cadmium self, like that with both the batteries using the nickel oxide hydroxide, nickel oxide hydroxide. They are using NiOOH at the one side, and however the negative electrode is a nickel metal hydride used as a hydrogen absorbing alloy instead of the cadmium, which is used in the nickel cadmium batteries. So here we use the metal hydride in case of the cadmium. So you see on the screen, these are the batteries. Nickel metal hydride are used as a hydrogen absorbing alloy here in place of the cadmium. Now NIMH, their nickname is NIMH batteries, find application is high drain devices because of the high capacity and high density. So, and they possess 2 or 3 times the capacity of nickel cadmium batteries of the same size, and energy density can approach that of the lithium ion batteries. So unlike the nickel cadmium chemistry batteries, and it is based upon the susceptible to the memory effect and nickel cadmium experience. And these are the some of the parameters of nickel metal hydride batteries, and specific energy 60 to 120 is more than that of the previous one. Energy density 140 to 300, specific power 250 to 1000, charge discharge efficiency 60 to 92%, self discharge rate it is 1.3 to 2.9% per month, and the temperature is 20 degrees centigrade. Cyclic durability is 180 to 2000. So next is the lithium ion batteries. These are most commonly used. Lithium ion batteries are one of the most popular type of the rechargeable battery, and they are having a different type of lithium battery. There are many different type of lithium batteries, but among all the lithium ions batteries are the most commonly used. We can find the lithium batteries being used in different forms, popularly among electric vehicles and other portable gadgets. So these battery are used in the electric vehicles. We can check the electrical vehicle batteries also, and these lithium batteries are used there. They are found in the different portable appliances, including the mobile phones, smart devices, several other batteries appliances used at the home. They also find that the application in the aerospace military application due to its lightweight nature. So on the screen we are having a lithium ion batteries. Generally it possesses the high energy density, little or no memory effect, and it is having the low self discharge compared to other battery types. So you are commonly seen this type of battery in the mobile phones, and this is the one of the type of the lithium ion batteries. Lithium ion batteries are the type of rechargeable batteries in which the lithium ion from the negative electron migrates to the positive electron during the discharge and migrate back to the negative electron when the battery is being charged. So when it is charged, and so it is a possible to charge and discharge in the lithium ion battery. Like the negative electron migrates towards the positive electrode, and during the discharge during the charge from positive to the negative electrodes. So lithium ion batteries use as a compound as one electrode materials compared to the metallic lithium used in the non-rechargeable lithium batteries. So there is chemistry alongside the performance, and the cost vary across the different use of its cases. And for example, lithium ion battery used in handheld electronic devices are usually based upon the lithium cobalt oxide, which provides a high energy density and low safety risk when damaged, while lithium ion batteries based upon the lithium iron phosphate, which offer a low energy density and safer due to the reduced likelihood of the unfortunate events happening, as widely used in the powering electric tools and medical equipments. So there are the basic applications of the lithium battery, and the type and the combination we use, chemical composition we use. So lithium ion batteries offer the best performance to the weight ratio, with the lithium sulfur batteries offering the highest ratio. There are the some attributes of the lithium ion batteries: specific energy 100 to 265, energy density 250 to 693, specific power in range of the 250 to 340, charge dischargeable percentage 80 to 90%, cycle durability 40 to 1200 cycle, nominal cell voltage it is 3.6 to 3.85 volt. Next battery is the lead acid batteries, and these batteries are low cost and reliable batteries, workhorse, which is used in the heavy duty appliances, and they are very large, and because of their weight they are always used in non-portable applications such as solar panel storage and vehicle ignition and the lights, backups, power load leveling, and the power generation and distribution. And this lead acid is the oldest type of the rechargeable battery and is still very relevant and important into nowadays. Thank you very much.